What is up, you guys? So back at it again. We are trying to hook up this double din for the Supra. It also came with a backup camera, so we're gonna try to install that as well too. We're gonna try to tuck everything in nice and easy with some what is that, some foam or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Right, so yeah, just keep watching. It's just content for today. We are gonna try to get this backup camera and everything all working in the Supra. So peace, keep watching, and thanks again for tuning in. Appreciate it. Because I suck with electrical and just have no patience for it, JR is in tight quarters. He's just stringing, what is it, sub wires and the backup camera wires?
Yeah, they're gonna be together. It was already wired for subs. Just figured I'd keep it in here in case for future plans you want subs. It's already wired, so saving a step in the future. That's what I'm trying to do.
So yeah, we hooked up the double din temporarily to the backup camera. It definitely works. Yeah, pretty exciting stuff.
Should we give them a little show and tell?
Sure.
Watch it not work this time. So that clips in there.
Where's your phone?
This clips in here.
Tuck those wires in the back.
Start the car. You fucked it up with the keys.
Right here. You have to press the power button on it or just turn it on automatically?
Right, still have to wire one of these keys, so then the power would work.
My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing and tussies.
Better than nothing, right?
So any volume or any sound is better than no sound, because I have been driving this thing for far too long without any music, and as fun as the boost sounds, you need some music. So yeah, keep watching, and we're gonna try to wrap this up. So, right, so for today, what we got going on so far now is we just test fitted everything there, make sure everything worked. So now we are pretty much hard fitting everything, putting a shrink tube and everything, soldering all the wires. We got Cheer trying to figure out where the backup camera is gonna go, so it's gonna be sick. Pulled the trunk and the carpet back, found all these other speaker wires, so we're gonna delete those, button everything else back up, and we are ready to rock. So as time goes, this car is starting to get a little better, starting to grow on us, and we are excited to see what else we can do to this thing. Right, JR?
Yeah. That's good.
Hey, JR, state your full name. Woo, quick. That's the spot?
Yeah. Right? On the one side, then I can drill a hole at this corner, put black silicone, good seal.
Yeah, whatever you want. 'Cause I don't care. What is happening, fam? Today is the start of my weekend off, so I got 4 days off. Right now we're on the way to Fit Auto Space. JR picked up some new tires for his 370, so we're gonna go ahead and get those put on. Then we will head back to the house so that way we can finish up with the double din in the Supra. So yeah, keep watching. Alright, so here we are. We're gonna go ahead and get these tires swapped out. As you see, we've got some tires there, so we're gonna slap those on and go from there. So we also got an LS 400 here. This guy's got a pretty nice stretched look on it. I'll go ahead and show that to you guys right now. So we are all done. We're gonna head over to Part Source. I gotta buy some toggle switches and whatnot, so that way I can set up the backup camera and have some backup lights. So we're gonna go there right now, and yeah, come for the ride. Part Source and Fit Auto. Jared got his tires mounted and balanced, so those are on the 370, and we went to Part Source to pick up some toggle switches. I don't know if we're gonna put those on. I think we might just get a board off Amazon, but go from there. What up, bitch? So yeah, keep watching. We're just gonna put the car back together and see if everything works. Peace. So at Fit Auto Space, we ended up buying some LED lights. So these are T10s. We're gonna put those in the headlights there as my daytime runnings. As you see, I do have some lights in there already. It's not as bright, and it's just cheap. So these are a darker blue. We're gonna go ahead and put those in. And I got some other ones here as well too. Right, so I did find them. Yeah, so these are multicolored LED lights. We're gonna go ahead and put those up over here. So let's see what that looks like. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. JR is gonna put the inside back together again and have everything all buttoned up. So shout out to Chicago. As you see, it's a big ass mess. He's gonna go ahead and clean this all up. I'll give him a hand once I'm done with those LED lights. You got it all figured out there, Paco?
I think so.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
What are you trying to figure out right now?
I want your shit to fucking turn on, like your head unit to turn on when you turn this on. And I wired everything, so I think it's one of these wires, but I'm gonna make a small little cut on this and fuck around with it. But where's your head unit, by the way?
Head unit's right underneath the bag, so no one stole it. Or could steal it.
Could steal it.
All right, we're gonna do a time-lapse video. Peace.
Get on some real yard shit. Coming on it like this. No one girl can satisfy me. Me need more fuel for the lime green. Me no one girl can deny me. Me no see me change shiny, but why pre? Me a controller, young soldier, once over. Any man at this way I get slumped over. Don't be scared of the thing, girl, come closer. You need to come over. Bad man, we no watch that. Even when me need to watch that. I got my gun on.
Alright guys, so this is what we got going on here. I changed the lights to these LEDs there that I got at Fit Auto Space. So again, shout out to Fit Auto Space for hooking it up. And check out these bottom daytime running lights. Boom, turn it to red. Boom, turn it to red. What else we got? What is this? Smooth. So that's what we're working with. Looks pretty cool. Change it up, different colors and everything like that. Strobe. So yeah, I'm all done with mine. Let's check up on JR there, see what's going on with his. You got it all hooked up?
Yeah, I got everything fixed. It's gonna be a clean install.
Clean install, hey?
Yeah.
Sick.
I'll
This
show
is
you
exciting
once it's
stuff. So we are rocking. I am stoked. Once we finish this off, it is back on the road, and then the next thing I have to adjust my ride height, and I'm gonna get a wheel alignment as well too. So let's play around with this thing a little bit more. Got peach. Let's get some blue up in there. Sick. Purple. That's a cool look too. All right, peace. Took a little bit of time there to get everything all buttoned up, but yeah, we had to wait for the weather to sort of clear up. It was raining there for the last couple of days, and it was just a bad time. So here is the final result. Changed out my daytime running lights. Again, I got the nice blue in the headlights, and then my side markers, I can change those to whatever color I want. We got the car all buttoned up inside as well too. Don't mind the seats. I'm looking at new ones. So here it is. We got the doubled in there, changed out the shift boot. I got my air to fuel controller sitting right there, mounted as well too. My Nardo wheel. Let's see if we can take that off. There it is. So she is looking better and better. We'll go to the back. And there it is, got the target and everything. So that is it for the weekend on this thing. Super excited to be driving this now with music and everything. And yeah, we will be going to a car meet. I think it's by White Ave in Edmonton there. So we'll take some pictures and do some vids and go from there. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Definitely appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. And again, thanks again. Peace and have fun. And keep
boy, and you know that. Honey down on a new toy, and you know that. I've been looking for you, baby. You need somebody wavy. 300 down on the red, I bought the whole thing. Young nigga getting this cake, it's not a joke thing.